Session 46. Averages. Mean, median, mode, and range. These measures turn a list of values into a useful summary. The mean balances all values, the median finds the middle, the mode finds what repeats, and the range measures spread. By the end, you'll calculate all four measures, choose the most useful one, and avoid common data mistakes. Mean, median, and mode describe a typical or central value, while range describes how far the data are spread. Mean is total divided by count. Median is the middle after ordering. Mode is most frequent. Range is maximum minus minimum. Averages help us compare groups without reading every individual value. Teachers compare class scores and look for unusual results. Sports analysts summarize performances across several matches. Businesses compare waiting times, sales, and customer ratings. Use the mean when every value should influence the summary, but check whether an extreme value distorts it. Use the median for the central ordered value, the mode for the most common value, and the range for spread. Always order the data before finding the median, and count every value exactly once for the mean. Find the mean of 4, 6, 7, 8, and 10. Add the values to get 35, then divide by the 5 values. The mean is 7. Find the median and range of 3, 5, 5, 8, and 11. The values are ordered, so the middle value is 5. The range is 11 minus 3, which equals 8. Find the mode of 2, 4, 4, 4, 5, and 7. 4 appears 3 times more often than any other value. The mode is 4. Complete an example. Analyze the dataset 5, 6, 7, 7, and 10. The total is 35, so the mean is 35 divided by 5 or 7. The ordered middle value is 7, and 7 also occurs most often. The range is 10 minus 5, so the summary is mean 7, median 7, mode 7, range 5. Don't divide the total by the largest value. Divide by the number of data values. Don't select the visual middle before ordering the data. And remember that a data set can have no mode or more than one mode. Practice question 1. Find the mean of 6, 8, 10, and 12. Option A is 8. Option B is 9. Option C is 10. Option D is 36. Pause, add all four values, then divide by 4. The correct answer is option B, 9. 6 plus 8 plus 10 plus 12 is 36, and 36 divided by 4 is 9. Practice question 2. Find the median of 3, 4, 8, 9, and 12. Option A is 4. Option B is 6. Option C is 8. Option D is 9. Pause. Locate the middle of the ordered list. The correct answer is option C, 8. There are 5 values, so the third value is the median. Practice question 3. Find the range of 7, 11, 13, and 18. Option A is 25. Option B is 7. Option C is 5. Option D is 11. Pause. Subtract the minimum from the maximum. The correct answer is option D, 11. 18 minus 7 equals 11. Mean uses every value. Add, then divide by the count. Median needs ordered data, and mode identifies the most frequent value. Range equals maximum minus minimum and measures spread, not center. Choose the measure that answers the question and check your calculation against the data.